Om. In certain placements, planet becomes Yokarka. Yokarka planets work in coordination with each other. Planets become mutual co-workers when they are placed mutually opposite to each other, that is in 7th house to each other in own exaltation or friendly signs. Planets in 10th house are specially Yokarka. Planets do not become mutual co-workers if they are placed in mutually opposite houses in enemy or debilitation signs or are combust due to closeness to the sun. But if they are placed in other houses, that is Panafra 2, 5, 8, 11 or Apoklima 3, 6, 9, 12 houses, they become Yogakarka and can give great status of power and authority to the native. That is for co-workership, the planet should be placed opposite to the Lagna, that is in 7th house, or if in own exaltation or friendly signs, they become co-workers. The effects of the planets placed in 10th aspecting the planets placed in the 4th house will give more strong beneficial results. This rule is applicable from the ascendant only and not from the moon sign. The co-workership will not take place if the mutually opposite planets are not in own exalted or friendly signs. If mutually opposite planets are in own exalted or friendly signs, become co-workers even if they are not placed in angles from the Lagna. The sun is Karka of first house signifying self, soul and behavior. Jupiter is Karka of second house signifying family, finance, wife, etc. Mars is Karka of second house signifying courage and co-bonds. Moon is Karka of fourth house signifying mother, property and vehicles. Jupiter is Karka of fifth house signifying progeny, education and entertainment. Mars is Karka of sixth house signifying enemies, diseases, disputes and service. Venus is Karka of seventh house of conjugal bliss, wife and business. Saturn is Karka of eighth house signifying longevity, occult and research. Jupiter is Karka of ninth house signifying fortune, father, higher education and religion. Mercury is Karka of 10th house signifying profession, fame and honor. Jupiter is Karka of 11th house signifying desire, elder siblings and social circle. Saturn is Karka of 12th house signifying foreign, hospital, jail, expenditure, investment and loss. The 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 8th, 11th and 12th are malefic houses and association with these houses bring evils. Planets occupying one of these houses become functional malefic and give adverse results. 1st, 4th, 5th, 7th, 9th and 10th are good houses, that is they are angles and trines, and planets associated with them becomes auspicious despite of being evil or inauspicious. Keep learning. Hari Om Tat Sat.